boys. Here. Yeah, so I tried to do Vlogmas, which is where you post a video or vlog for the month of December, well, up until Christmas. So I tried to do Vlogmas and I failed at that. And I tried to do Vlogsgiving last year and I failed at that. So I just want to challenge myself and see if I can actually do it. I have a couple of videos lined up for this week coming up. It's just a matter of getting them all filmed and ready to go. Like, I have so many ideas that are actually on a Word document, but it's just a matter of getting them out. Next week is going to be like getting cozy and like fall type videos. More of like a getting unready with me videos. And then the week after that will be more like motivational videos. And then, hey! Yeah, so the third week will be more motivational videos, and then the fourth week will be Halloween videos. So I do have like a theme, I guess you could say. Like, I have ideas of what my videos, what I want them to be. It's just a matter of getting them all ready and whatnot. But I'm getting a pimple up there, and I'm getting a pimple down there, and I have like a small one here, and I just can't seem to get rid of them. So, I feel like I'm like not in focus right now. Maybe I am. But I just can't see because I'm blind. If you have any tips as far as clearing acne, please let me know. I will try anything. I'm currently trying out a new face cleansing routine and I just don't think it's working. But they sent me stuff, so I kind of have to like use it and then put a review out for it. But you'll see that maybe next week's video. It's as good as it gets. All right, so let's just spray my face down. And that is my quick little makeup look. Like I said, I can do a more in-depth look in a later video if that's what you want to see. For now, this is just my quick little get ready for work. Now, what to wear? I'm just wearing this maroon looking top. It has little, I don't even know, you put them in a bow, little ties. Got little ties right there. And then I'm wearing just my necklace that I always wear. And for my shoesies, I'm just wearing these wedges, like that.